Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gamer B&B. We are actually here, we're finally here in the modern gaming room. It's been a long time coming, but we've been putting together a lot of different gaming rooms. So retro rooms coming along really good. It's got the old school wood paneling, it's gonna feel like you're back at grandma's house. We've got our throwback room, we've got bunch of consoles in there, and then again this is our modern room behind me. But one thing we really wanted to do is just showcase what modern consoles are like, and we wanted to get a nice OLED TV to showcase those, and then obviously our couch here to really make it a comfortable and enjoyable experience. So today we got a treat. We're gonna unbox the PlayStation 5 Pro. And we got a couple other goodies to go over too. We got another second controller. And because I'm a true old school gamer, I had to purchase the optional disc drive so I can actually get physical media. And we're gonna open up a couple different games. And then maybe we'll try them out later. So here we go. We should have the newest thing if your guys are going to come spend money and time here. So let's see here. The sleeve, you know. There it goes. Got our cables. We got our little kickstands for putting the console laying down. We did not get the optional vertical stand, and later on we'll show you why. Got our HDMI and a USB-C port. Okay, we have the DualSense controller. Love this controller. So now we'll have two controllers for Gamer B&B. PlayStation's come a long way. We do have an original PlayStation here at Gamer B&B with some cool games like Tomb Raider, and you can check out some of our old videos on what we got with that. Oh, it's a little heavier than I think the original model. Put that down. So I was a little sad, but hearing that it was just a discless system, but I'm glad PlayStation or Sony's still allowing us to use the optional disc drive. I know a lot of people are like saying so expensive, but we paid the price for you guys so you can come enjoy it without having to buy one. There it is. Beautiful. Alright. Just got two, if you look at the back here, two USB-C ports, a LAN port, HDMI, and then your power port. But yeah, it's got the same finish on both plates. I know the slim model had different, like a glossier finish, but this is pretty nice. And it's got these grooves, that's kind of an aesthetic thing, so. Okay, so what I'm going to attempt to do, let's open up our second controller. Alright, so come check out this color. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So now side by side we got our white and our purple controllers. But yeah, if you have not tried this controller yet, the triggers have a very unique function. We bought a game for it that will really showcase that. So yeah, let's pop open the. Again, we went all out. We want you guys to have a great experience here. Bought the optional disc drive, and we'll unbox this. Katie, what game are you excited to try out that we bought? We got...
probably the Spider-Man.
We've got Spider-Man 2.
Spider-Man 2.
Which is one that I know the PS5 Pro enhances. Hogwarts Legacy, because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan and have not tried this game yet. And then Astrobot, which I'm actually really excited to try out because, again, it showcases what these controllers are all about. So
I did check out the Astrobot when we bought a couple other things, and it does look like a pretty sweet game.
There we go. So, okay, it comes with a plate. Wonder if I'll have to put that one on. Yeah, that will have to go on instead. Comes with the actual disk drive here. Plenty of good YouTube videos out there showing how these are put on, but it should be a pretty simple process. We're going to try out here. Okay, so for the disk drive, just pop off this plate here, like that, and you line up the power. This goes right into here, pops in, just like that. Oh, let me make sure those feet go in there. Perfect. And then we just put this plate back here over top. And that's it. And then you have the disk drive. Okay, so we just installed the disk drive. Now you notice there's these little holes that we need to put the feet. And if you want to look at these feet here, these are what it came with, but the disk drive came with these longer feet. So that's important. We had to look at the bottom of the box to find those. So we'll just stick these feet in here. Make sure it's in the right direction.
They only go in if they go in the right direction, right?
Yeah, it will only work if it's in the right direction. Now if all works out here, we'll just put it on its side. Like so. And I think that's it.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah, so let's say we'll unbox the games and we'll try it out. Okay, so we got Astrobot. I love opening the new plastic. It's super fresh.
There's something about physically being able to open a brand new game.
Yeah, it's like Christmas all over again.
Except now you won't rip any manuals or anything, right?
Yes, yes. If I can go back as a kid and not destroy all the boxes, all those precious games, I'd go back. So there it is. It still comes with a little insert here. So we'll try Astrobot. This one I think I previously opened, but there's Hogwarts Legacy. And then Spider-Man 2. This is the launch edition, which I think it just comes with extra skins. You can read the back, but yeah, we'll hook this up to OLED and let you guys kind of see what it's like being at Gamer B&B. Spider-Man 2. Yeah, it comes with some extra suits. Beautiful. slide in. Woohoo! This is awesome looking.
Take care of Marco quick then.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. This is the new Spider-Man game on a PlayStation 5 Pro. And y'all could come try it out for yourselves. Woo!
Still angry after all these years, Marco? You should try yoga.